bread, it's money, it's success, and they love guns, and we love them.
Man, it's time to make history. Yeah. Hey, man, it's time to make history.
Really feel animal. So don't be surprised if you see me walk around in a robe and slippers at some point. You're not on the list. I'm gonna go put you on the list right now. I forgot.
I mean, I can just go put myself on the list.
That'd be cool. A popper there. And let's steal this guy out of here.
Gotta get mic'd up. And trust me, this will be better than the audio that I have in my desk with my crappy mic. But that's why we pay professionals to do this.
Good.
Listen, man, I hope he didn't dissuade anybody from giving that a shot because, you know, everybody's probably thinking like, I'm not gonna be able to do that. Jason and Jeff for being so gracious and believing in us. When we came to you, when this was dirt and steel on the ground, we saw your vision, you saw our vision, and here we are. And all of you are part of that vision, and I'm just happy to be here. I'm humbled by it. Thank you all, Mr. Sherman.
We were literally nobodies. And here we are today, John, a year and a half later, bro. I mean, I can't wait to see what the next year and a half is gonna bring and beyond, but I'm grateful to be on this journey with you, bro. You know, I don't really like working with people, but I gotta tell you guys, if I would ever choose to work with someone, if I had that divine power, it would be you, man.
Finally got ready. It's been mayhem. Time to get busy though. Guns out range day. Let's go!
I'm really glad you got that on camera.
tired, boss. I gotta go get an energy drink so I can do this right. What's up, babe?
Okay, so John is tired, guys. His battery's on 0, but it's been an amazing day. We had Roger, we had Eric and Chad, we had Jared, we had Monsoon Tactical, we had Peter, we had Ron, we had the Survival Sisters, we had Mark Choppa. I mean, John, we had Taryn and Tatiana. We had everybody you can think of at our very first annual range day, and man, it was absolutely impeccable, John.
Listen, after I saw night one, the reel that Tanner made, I was like, wow, man, we really shot a movie last night, right? And then I was thinking how bananas it would be today. And then coming into this morning, I was a little shook, man. There was a lot going on real fast. People started showing up with cars and coffee. And it was just a lot to do, a lot to manage, the raffles, the giveaways, all of the vendors getting their stuff in place, getting people on the range. It was a lot of moving parts. So that's why I'm a little drained, you know, because I came in on 10 and pretty much had to stay on 10 all day, but it was so worth it, man. Like, just the turnout, the reception, the way people were really so enthusiastic to see us and meet us, talk to us, take pictures with us. The energy was infectious. That's the only thing that kept me going all day, man. Seriously, like, because I was burnt after last night. You know, it was energetic, and I mean, we definitely built something here. Oh, there's no doubt about it, and God has been really good to John and I, and I just can't wait to see what the next year is going to unfold, the next year and a half, because this has only been a year and a half, guys. And through the door, it's estimated we had about 1,000 or more people through the door throughout the entire day. We've only been at this for a year and a half. Yeah. I'm sorry you had to miss this if you're watching this video. And if you're watching this video and see yourself in it, thanks for coming out to Range Day.
We appreciate you.
And listen, until next time, which hopefully will be soon, and it'll definitely be here at XCal again, no matter what. But we may do other places as well.
You know, and I like that idea. Maybe for the first 2 years here.
Yeah. For sure. We got to bring it back, man. So anyway, let's go.
And get some
sleep.